Hi, I'm Milli, a third-year student at SSRU, Suan Sunandha Rajabhat University in Bangkok. I'd like to share with you a special activity we had on September 1st and 2nd, the Intertrade Market at the Business English major. More than 200 students joined this event, and it truly felt like a real marketplace inside our university. Each group had to prepare their own products, design their stalls, and think of ways to attract customers. We were selling food, drinks, handmade items, and many creative products. But this event was not just about selling. It was about practicing communication, teamwork, and marketing strategies. We learned how to promote our products, how to present ourselves with confidence, and how to interact with different types of customers. Some groups even used posters, social media, and discounts to stand out. The atmosphere was fun, energetic, and full of learning. It gave us a chance to put theory into practice and to understand how trade and marketing really work in real life. In today's world, having hands-on experience in sales and communication is extremely important. For me, the Intertrade Market was not only exciting, but also a great opportunity to gain confidence and skills that will be very useful for our future careers.